Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! It's time to cure my munchies again. Cure the munchies Bastardstyle. Episode 28. And today, I have a very rare case of mid-morning munchies. This is unusual for me. So today, I'm going to throw together a chili burrito. But first, some Mexican Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Oh, fuck, that's good. Go away. Okay, tortilla. I got some jalapeno Monterey Jack, old cheddar, sour cream, some leftover chili that I've mixed with rice previously, and Frank's Red Hot Chili and Lime, the best Frank's. And we got some pickled jalapeno peppers. Hector jalapeno. Alright, bitches. Let's get one of these fuckers out. Yeah, very unusual to have the munchies this early in the day for me. I wasn't high this morning. I was pretty fucking fucked up last night. Woo! Alright. Let's get rid of this. Beauty. Good enough. Done. Be gone with you. Sour cream. Fucking hey. Gotta love sour cream on there, eh? Beauties. Cheese. Put some old cheddar down there. I think I'll be doing another video this afternoon. It's a nice day out there. I think we'll fire up a fucking barbecue. Alright. Old cheddar. Our chili and rice mixture. I made this chili on the wood stove. I'll put a link to chili on the wood stove eventually. That video's not done yet. Good enough. This is only curing my munchies. This is a little snack. Good enough. Making a mess. Making a mess. Away with you. Little Frank's chili and lime. Good enough. Pickled jalapenos. Put a couple of these on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a jalapeno popper video this afternoon. Haven't done one of them in a while. We'll go in for the never-ending popper challenge. Good enough. Now, some of this Monterey Jack with jalapeno. This is fucking good. Cheesy. Fucking cheese is good. Cheese, please. A little more. Good enough. Throw this fucker up. We'll nuke it for about, I don't know, 40 seconds, 45. We're a little lopsided here, but I don't give a fuck. It's gonna leak cock liquor. Alright, bitches, let me put this shit away, wipe that shit up, drink up like a buttercup, and I'll be back. Woo! Alright, bitches. We got that cleaned up. Here we go. Time to cure the munchies. Fuck, this is gonna be a quick one, eh? She did leak a bit. Fucking hot. Woo! Tell you that. But this is not a meal. This is just curing the munchies. So, doesn't have to be a gigantic fucking burrito. Fucking hot, man. I'm gonna burn my face off. Woo! Okay. Oh, fuck, man. Cheesy. Chili. Fucking right. This is just what the bastard ordered. Fuck, that's good. Cheesy goodness. Chili goodness. Fucking right, people. There you have it. Fucking A. Alright, bitches. Go cure your munchies with a cheesy chili burrito. Bastard style. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Arrivederci Roma, take it easy. Piano piano.